So we saw two examples for directives now, and the better approach definitely is a good approach, but it's not very interactive, right? It always gives us a blue background, and I want to change this. I only want to style this blue or give this a blue background if I hover over it. And if I move my mouse away, it should go back to transparent. So let's improve the better highlight here a bit. We need to react to some events occurring on the element the directive sits on. And a quick and easy way to do this inside of this directive is to simply add a new decorator, and this is the HostListener decorator, which needs to be imported from @Angular core, and add it to some method we want to execute. So the method here could be mouse over. Now, I will move this from the top of the file below ng on init here. So now this can be triggered whenever some event occurs, and that event is specified here as an argument as a string. HostListener here takes the argument name as an input, and that would be mouse enter, let's say. That is one of the events supported by the DOM element this directive sits on. So you have basically all events available you could also use with event binding before. So that's my host listener targeting this event. And we could also receive the event data here. So event data of type event would be passed to us here. So that works. You can also listen to custom events here and retrieve that data. So this is just like the method you execute when you add a click listener or whatever your event is, and then pass the method between the quotation marks. So that's happening here. Host listener is just a convenient way of listening to events on that element. So with that, we listen to the mouse enter event. We get the event data, which I don't need here. But what I want to do in this case is I want to change the background color of the element. So what I can do is I can copy this code from ng on init and comment it out. And now set the style here on mouse enter. And now I can quickly copy this and add another method, which I'll name mouse leave maybe, where I will listen to the mouse leave event, another official event I can listen to. And then I want to set the background color to transparent maybe. Now with this in place, we should have a reactive directive. So now, no background color, and if I hover over it, it gets blue. So that is working as intended, now with host listener reacting to user event or to any events.